Bawl out. To shout at someone for doing something wrong. My mom bawled me out for the mess. She bawled her brother out for breaking her phone. Scream blue murder. To shout or complain very loudly. She screamed blue murder when she saw the spider. He screamed blue murder after losing his phone. Deer in the headlights. To look shocked, scared, or frozen. He looked like a deer in the headlights during the interview. The loud noise made the kids look like deer in the headlights. Kick the bucket. To die. The old man kicked the bucket. The character in the movie kicked the bucket. Let the cat out of bag. To accidentally reveal a secret. Don't let the cat out of the bag. It's a secret. He let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Fingers crossed. Hoping for good luck. I have a test today. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed, he gets the job. Let one's hair down. To relax and have fun. After work, she finally let her hair down. Let's go out and let our hair down tonight. Against all odds. To succeed despite many difficulties or challenges. He won the race against all odds. She passed the exam against all odds. Think outside the box. To find new and different ideas. He thought outside the box and solved the problem. You need to think outside the box for this project.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!